program to find the area of a triangle. To write a program to find the area of a triangle, the formula is half base times height. So that means we are going to have B, which represents our base. We are going to input B, which represents our base. Take B, letter B, as part of the variable. So B will be equal to, so float, let's make it a float number, so that to enable us to enter both integer number and so enter the base. So float will enable us to enter both real number and integer half base times height. Then we need to also enter the height also. Let's make our height also to be real number. What I mean by real number is number with a decimal point. So input encode enter the height. So height. So after entering the height, you now enter the expression that defines the area. So let area be part of the variable which we are assigning half base. Either you write it in brackets, put 1 all over 2 half base multiplied by half base times height. Our base is a B, while our height is H. So now I've entered that. Now to print out the result, to print out the result, our result now is equal to the area is comma, one single comma, area. So this is a simple way of writing a program to find the area of a triangle using half base times height. If our base is 24 and our height is 8, the result is going to be this. Thanks.